Hello students, welcome back. Before we see the next question, I'd like to request you to go through the playlist featuring the previous year's solved physics numericals. I've shared the link of the playlist in the description box so you can go and check it out. So now let's go over to today's question. It's a numerical from electricity and it reads, in a house there are two bulbs of 50 watt each are used for 6 hours daily and an electric geyser of 1 kilowatt is used for 1 hour daily. Calculate the total energy consumed in a month, of 30 days, and its cost at the rate of rupees 8 per kilowatt hour. Children often mistake kilowatt and kilowatt hour. Please remember that kilowatt means 1000 watt and it is a unit to represent the power because power's SI unit is watt. Kilowatt hour is used to represent energy and here it will be representing electrical energy. Let me help you to remember this easily. So we know that power is the rate of doing work. So it is work done by time. Rate in physics means time. So work done by time is power. Now it is also equal to energy by time. Why? Because energy is the capacity of the body to do work. So work by time is equal to energy by time. Now what is the SI unit of energy or work? It is joule and time unit is second. So joules per second is watt. So the SI unit of power is watt. Now when we come to energy, so here you see what have we written? This one and this one. See, power is energy by time, right? So energy, if we have to find out, so energy will be power into time, right? Now power here, when we use power for commercial units, we require to represent it in a larger unit because the total power which we have consumed in the house will be represented by kilowatt and not in watt. So power we represent it using kilowatt. So 1 kilowatt, right? And time also we cannot express in seconds because that will be also a large value. So we represent it with hour. So energy is kilowatt hour. So here what energy are we talking about? We are talking about electrical energy. Okay. So now I hope you are clear. So with this concept, let us proceed to solve today's question. So here we have been given two bulbs of 50 watt each and they are used for 6 hours daily. So every day they are used for 6 hours. And we have a geyser whose power is 1 kilowatt and it's used for 1 hour daily. So these two bulbs and the geyser, they are used for 30 days consecutively. And we have to find out what will be their energy consumption. So let's solve for the bulb first. So for the bulbs, what's given? The power is given, they are of 50 watt each, right? But as I've told you, these are all for commercial units. So we have to express it in kilowatt. So it is 50 by 1000 kilowatt. So power we have converted into kilowatt. It's 50 by 1000. So time here we have been given as 6 hours daily. So 6 hours daily for how many days? For 30 days. So total time becomes 30 into 6, which is 180 hours, right? Now the power consumption 50 by 1000 is for one bulb. So this is the power consumed for one bulb. Now there are two such bulbs. So for finding out the total power, we'll have to multiply it with 2. Okay, so now this is the total power consumed by both the bulbs. Now let us find out what's the electrical energy consumed by both the bulb. So I write here electrical energy for the bulbs, which is power into time. The power is 50 by 1000 kilowatt and there are two such bulbs and each bulb is used for 6 hours daily and for a total of 30 days. So this gives me the total energy consumed, which is 18 kilowatt hour, which is 18 units. So 18 units of electrical energy is consumed by the bulbs. So energy for the bulb is 18 units or 18 kilowatt hour. Now for the geyser, the power rating is given as 1 kilowatt. So we don't need to convert it because it's already given in kilowatt. The time duration for which it is used is 1 hour daily for 30 days. So the total hour will be 30 hours, right? Now the electrical energy consumed by the geyser would be, which is power into time, which is 1 kilowatt into 30 hours, which is 30 kilowatt hour, which is 30 units, right? Now we'll find out the total energy. So electrical energy for the geyser is 30 kilowatt hour or 30 unit. Total energy will be given by 18 plus 30, which is 48 kilowatt hour, right? Which is equal to 48 units. Now the cost of consuming 1 kilowatt hour of energy is rupees 8. So what amount we have consumed? Let's find out accordingly. So cost of 1 kilowatt hour is rupees 8. We have used 48 units in all. So cost of 48 kilowatt hour will be rupees 8 into 48, which is rupees 384. The answer to this question is cost is rupees 384. So now we have our final answer. Total energy consumed is 48 kilowatt hour and the cost is rupees 384. So I hope you have understood this question. Until the next video, keep studying and bye bye.